how to change email address on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your email address on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your email address on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you're gonna be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just make sure to tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side, then tap the gear icon over here. Once you tap the gear icon, just tap the account center tab, and once you tap on account center, you want to simply go to the option known as personal details. Once you go to personal details, tap on contact info, and once you tap on contact info, you'll be able to see the contact information where you can just simply select the email address here, and then now you can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter the new email address that you want to use, and then you should be good to go from there. This way you'll be able to basically change your email address on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.